After the tape measure, a framing square is probably the most frequently used tool in most woodworking shops. So why settle for an okay construction framing square with questionable accuracy stamped out by the thousands when you can have a framing square designed for woodworking? Woodpeckers' new large-size Precision Woodworking Squares offer accuracy that's so good, it's guaranteed. Our squares come with either Imperial or metric scales and are offered in two sizes, 18-inch or 450 millimeter, and 26-inch or 670 millimeter. Our woodworking squares are perfect for the layout of sheet goods and the alignment of other woodworking tools in your shop. Starting from a large solid piece of 1/4-inch thick aluminum plate, our squares are CNC machined and quality checked to be dead square within 1/1000th of an inch or less for each foot of blade length, assuring that both legs of the squares reflect a true 90 degrees, providing more than enough rigidity for any layout assignment. Both squares have laser-engraved scales along their outside and inside edges, giving you precise measuring when doing the layout of your project. Two 1/4-inch cheeks affixed to the square's handle with stainless steel dowel pins ensure bulletproof rigidity and perfect alignment. This gives the square a more stable stance, while also creating an inner lip that allows the square to lie flat on your workpiece. Just what you've always wanted a framing square to do. So, whether it's the layout of your sheet goods to start your next project, or say the alignment of your Festool MFT3 multifunction table, or setting up your clamp guide rail for large crosscuts with your circular saw, consider Woodpeckers' latest OneTIME tool, the new Precision Woodworking Squares. Like all Woodpeckers' OneTIME tools, Woodpeckers' Precision Woodworking Squares are manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC equipment operated by highly skilled machinists in the company's shop located near Cleveland, Ohio, and made in the USA.